I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to cancel the auto renewal on your HBO Max subscription, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open HBO Max app. Launch the HBO Max app on your device or visit the HBO Max website on your browser. This is where you'll manage your subscription settings. Step 2. Sign in. Log into your account using your email and password. Make sure you're reusing the account link to the subscription you want to cancel. Step 3. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your profile icon in the top right corner and select Account from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your account management page. Step 4. Manage subscription. Look for the Manage Subscription section. Here, you'll find options related to your subscription, including auto-renewal settings. Step 5. Turn off auto-renewal. Select the option to turn off auto-renewal. Confirm your choice when prompted. Keep an eye out for a confirmation message to ensure the change has been made. Remember, if you don't see the option to manage your subscription, it might be because you subscribed through a third-party service like Apple or Google Play. In that case, you'll need to cancel through that service. I hope this helps you manage your HBO Max subscription easily.